Hi, welcome to the Integrated Gas Furnace Sales Training. In this session, we will delve into the significant product enhancements made to our furnace line, particularly in relation to the transition to low global warming potential refrigerants and the various upgrades that we included into this new product launch. These enhancements make them significantly easier to service and install, which is a crucial factor for both our technicians and our customers. We will cover these enhancements in detail, exploring how they contribute to improved efficiency, reliability, and user satisfaction. Additionally, this module will outline our sales strategy, providing you with the tools and knowledge necessary to effectively communicate the benefits of these enhancements. We will present practical sales scenarios and role-playing exercise designed to enhance your selling skills and enable you to confidently promote this product. By the end of this training, you will be well-equipped to address customer inquiries and objections. You will gain a comprehensive understanding of our gas furnace enhancements and learn effective strategies to position this product in the competitive marketplace.